Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is a 15-minute chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that gold is trading at a record high. Gold is trading around 4186, 4187 area, and gold is crazy bullish again. So yesterday we saw a good amount of profit booking on the chart of gold. I am talking about this drop. Yesterday when gold was bullish, okay, we were discussing about gold. Okay, we also expected some profit booking. Remember, I told you guys that do not trade without stop loss because gold is trading at such a level that buying and selling both are risky. Okay, and as expected, a profit booking came. It was intense. Okay, and I guess all the buyers, okay, all the buyers are gone because gold took away all the stop losses. But after this profit booking, okay, gold is continuing the upside again, and it's a part of the game because no market in the world goes up in a straight line, goes down in a straight line. In fact, the move that we saw yesterday on gold, okay, was not enough. In fact, we need further retracement. Probably you know it very well that we have been waiting for a long correction, big correction on the chart of gold for a long time, and still it is pending. So God knows when we will see a proper retracement or correction. But as of now, we can see that gold is bullish again. So we are back, okay, to the same old strategy, means buy at retracement. So whenever gold will be coming down, we will look for buy at retracement or we will buy at breakout. That's it. Because things are same again. If anything crazy happens, I will update in the free Telegram community just like yesterday. So if you are not a part of the Telegram community, okay, please join. Okay, the link will be in the description so that I can update you guys. Okay, what should be the next course of action. And be careful also, there are lots of scams going on in my name. Only join the community with the link in the description because there are many investment schemes also going on in my name. Just keep in mind all those are scams. Okay, now let's talk about gold. So this is the chart of gold, and if you look at the market sentiment, you can see gold climbs to fresh high. Gold prices climbed to around 4180 per ounce on Wednesday, extending its bullish run to notch a fresh record as investors sought the metal's safety and ramped up bets of additional US monetary easing. In the latest escalation of US-China trade tension, President Donald Trump on Tuesday accused China of engaging in economically hostile behavior by halting soybean imports and warned of possible retaliatory measures, including a cooking oil embargo. So, a trade war tension is still going on, because of which we can see gold is bullish. Additionally, red cuts, okay, are also bringing bullishness to the market. So, things are okay, still bullish for gold as of now. Obviously, this up move, okay, is something very hard to digest, but can't help it. Okay, so where are the levels then? So my dear friends, you can see already I have drawn few lines here. So if market comes down for correction during the day, okay, we can look for buy around 415350. Then we have a support around 413233. Then 4118. These are the three levels on the chart of gold where we can look for a buy. Okay, because these are the retracement levels. You can see that all these levels are okay, either previous resistance working as support, okay, or they are normal support levels, means where market has bounced previously. Okay, and yes, we also have used our beloved FIBO here. Apart from the price action, okay, you can see we also have FIBO 38.2, FIBO 61.8 and 78.6. FIBO is not important here in a market condition like this. We have seen multiple times, plenty of times, that price action really does a very fine job. So all these levels are good levels. If market comes down, we can look for buy at retracement. But keep in mind, okay, if a profit booking comes just like yesterday, okay, then obviously these levels will not work. For example, if you see that there is a sudden big red candle, use your common sense. Okay, do not buy blindly. We are traders, not gamblers. Do not forget it. And right now we can see the market is trading at a record level. So if market doesn't come down, then obviously market will be going up. So if you want to buy at breakout, yes, you can look for a buy above this area, okay, when market will break the range. But as I always say, my dear friends, consolidation is important. Okay, if you are part of the Telegram, WhatsApp community, today also I mentioned that, okay, we need a consolidation, then only we can look for a big breakout here. Right now, okay, consolidation is still going on under process. Okay, so after 3-4 candles, okay, if market shoots up, then we can look for buy at breakout above 4188, 4189. And if you do not want to take any risk, because there is also a possibility of a false breakout, isn't it? So if you do not want any risk, then you can look for buy at pullback. Means the same level, when the same level of 418587 will become the new support, okay, then you can buy at pullback. Means when the previous resistance will become the new support. Okay. We have been doing this for a long time, for more than a year, I guess. Okay, so far we are doing well, so we can expect that, okay, we will be able to score some pips. And overall, the trend of the market is bullish again. So if you buy at retracement dip, you can just ride the trend of the market with trailing stop loss. But yes, please use stop loss, because if a sudden profit booking comes just like yesterday, okay, it may take away all the profit, and you don't want it. Something to discuss. Yesterday I uploaded a video how to spot a scam broker in 5 minutes. If you want to watch, okay, you'll find a link in the description. But here on the video I have also talked about Vantage, and many of you are confused right now that why I'm not talking about Star Trader anymore, because I used to talk about Star Trader a lot, and we also had a session with the CEO of Star Trader. Okay, and here is the answer. My dear friends, Star Trader, Vantage, and also VT Markets, they all belong to the same company. Yes, I was very much in good contact with Star Trader, and still Star Trader is my heart, my darling company. But right now, okay, I'm in touch with the Vantage team, and we are just trying to promote Vantage as of now. Okay, but don't think that I'm no longer with Star Trader. Star Trader is still one of the best companies that I have seen till date, from the safety perspective and also from the service perspective as well. So if you want to sign up with Star Trader, you'll find a link in the description. But yes, as of now, okay, we are just trying to promote Vantage. And as I just mentioned, Star, Vantage, and also VT Markets, okay, they all belong to the same company. Not a very popular fact, but it is a reality.